How to add, sell, redeem, and track series. In this tutorial, we will go over how to set up a series of services. To start, go to Services and click on Series. Click Add New. Choose a name for your series. When choosing a name, it is helpful to include the number of sessions being sold. In this tutorial, we will create a series for 3 sessions of laser. If you want to generate a barcode for the series, click the arrow button. Under Total Redemptions, set how many total services the series can be used for. Next, we will choose the services that can be redeemed by this series. You can select multiple services. The combined redemptions of all selected services cannot exceed the total redemptions. In this tutorial, we will check off the laser category. This means any service in that category can be redeemed by this series. You may also pick individual services if you prefer. Once you set your services, you will see a value estimate appear. This is calculated by taking an average of all selected service prices and multiplying that by the total redemptions. Under Price, set the amount that you will be selling the series for. If you enable limit redemptions, you can set a mandatory waiting period between redemptions of the series. You can choose a number of days, weeks, or months. In this tutorial, we will not allow clients to redeem more than once per day. Click Save when done. Next, we will show you how to sell a series. Go to the Sales screen. Add a new invoice. Select the client and the employee. Click on Series. Select the series the client is wanting to purchase. Click Pay. Select the payment method. Add the payment and click Finish. Note, a series will not be available for redemption by the client until the invoice it was sold on is finished. Now that we have sold a series, we will show you how to redeem it. We will go to the appointment book and create a booking for one of the services that applies to our series. We will right-click on the appointment and click on Start Invoice. Now that the service has been added to an invoice, it will automatically pop up and prompt you to redeem the client series. If you don't see this, the service doesn't apply to the client series on file. Click Redeem. Go to Pay. You will see the series redemption at the bottom. Click Finish. We will now go over how to track a client series and view how many redemptions they have left. Go to the Guests area, click on the client you want to check. Click on the Purchases tab. Click on By Item. Here, you will see any purchased series. We have now finished going over series. Thanks for watching.